sold out so fast. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Fenty Pumas, the Fenty Avanti by Rihanna. Oh my gosh, it's been years since she has done a Fenty drop. I believe the last one was probably like 2017, 2018. So I'm super excited. I'm a huge Rihanna fan, as everyone should know by now. I frequently wear my black Fenty Pumas, and I also have a yellow pair of like the original platforms that came out millions of years ago at this point. So I'm so happy that she's back collabing with Pumas. Only Pumas I've ever owned have only been Rihanna Fenty Pumas. So that's just how you know. I absolutely love everything that she does. I'm a huge fan of Fenty Beauty. I love her perfume. I literally have the travel size one right here. I'm a huge fan of Savage Fenty. Everything she does is like super good quality to me. I just love her business mind. So of course I am supporting, and I'm just really excited because the sneakers are gorgeous, like gorgeous. Let's get into the unboxing, but before anything else, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my other unboxings or reviews. Make sure you're also following my Instagram, which will be linked down below at With One Purpose, so that you can see how I end up styling these. Let's get to it. Here is the box. It is matte. All of her Fenty Pumas that I've purchased have been in a matte black box. You know, that's her signature. And you can see the little Puma there, and then Fenty. I actually missed the original drop, so I had to purchase these from Bodega. I was surprised that they had them in stock. Bodega is a reseller for shoes, but they actually didn't jack up the prices at all. It was the same exact price that it retails for, $170. And when I saw that they were on Bodega, I'd never heard of it before, so I had to go do my research and make sure they were legitimate, because I did not want to get got, okay? So they are legit. There have been articles published about them. Other people purchased from them, so they are a refutable reseller, although I always mention that I would prefer to purchase from the original source. These were the same price point of $170. I just went for it. So here is the box. I'm so excited. Whew. And then it has the Puma on both sides, and the back of the box is a shoe size chart, which I have honestly never seen done before. So that is beautiful. That's so smart. So you can see what size you are. All of my other Fenty Pumas are a 7.5. I believe I have one size 8, and that one was a little bit too big, so I always just made sure I sized down. So I did get these in a 7.5. Well, not size down, because I'm actually a 7.5, but the way that shoes are made, sometimes a 7 fits, sometimes 7.5 fits, and sometimes an 8 fits. If I know that a shoe is going to be tight and I'm going to have to break it in, or if it's like heels or sandals, I'll always go for an 8. But with sneakers, I don't always know. And then with shoes that don't have half sizes, I prefer a 7, because they usually are a bit bigger. So here is this side of the box. It has a little hole for ventilation on this side. And then on here, on the back, it says that there may be some color migration. The shoes are silver, so we shall see, but it's a good warning to put on there. I try to not wear my dark denim with any of my light colored shoes. So, but it's still good to know, because you know how it goes. Of course, the velvet dust bag on the inside with Fenty on it. These are really perfect for travel. I have traveled with these before, and they fit both of the shoes comfortably, and it was just really good to have instead of having to travel with the box, because obviously I absolutely love my Fenty Puma, so I don't want them to be destroyed in any kind of way. Anything I can do to prevent that, I'm doing it, okay? So here it is. The wrapping paper has Fenty on it with the Puma logo. And now let's see these beautiful shoes. I'm so excited. I actually don't have any silver sneakers, and these would have been absolutely perfect for the Beyonce concert, but the day that their launch date versus when I went to go see the concert, these came literally when I got back from seeing Beyonce. But this would have been so much better to wear than the heels that I wore, although the heels were a look. And I honestly surprisingly didn't see anyone with them on at the concert, because I was like looking low-key, like I wanted to see if anyone had that bright idea in their head. But I think that we were all in the same boat, just waiting for our shoes to arrive. So the sneakers are wrapped up. Here it goes. Also love that she, for her photo shoot for this launch, she included like her entire family, Rocky, Rizza, Raya, all of the little babies, and they actually have shoe sizes. I don't believe they carried shoe sizes or men's sizes before, or the sizes were just unisex, but here is this beauty. And it's reflective, so I'm just like literally looking at myself as I turn the shoe around. The shoe is beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. This silhouette is more similar to the traditional Puma silhouette, so I am really like impressed by how this is, because you know the Fenty Pumas, the OGs Fenty Pumas, they have like a different shape. They're still low top, but they have the platform and they didn't have these toes. Like these look more similar to a running shoe rather than like a fashionable kind of sneaker, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. Sneakers are this reflective silver. The laces are black. The sole is this gum color, and then there's a little line of white and black in between for the contrast. And I honestly, really surprisingly, don't hate the brown against the silver, but this is going to be perfect for me because I know I always say it, but I like literally walk like a toddler, so at least this will buffer my little trips and scuffs and bumps and all of that while I'm walking. And then I just removed this flap on the tongue, and the tongue says Puma, also reflective with the Puma logo on it. And then you could also flip it up. I'm not sure if it would actually stay up, but this would be like a nice look if you were wearing like some, I don't know, like ankle pants, or maybe even like wanted to tuck your super long baggy jeans behind there and then show off the tongue that way rather than having it folded down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it folded down or not, but here it is up close and personal. I am like obsessed. These are gonna be very comfortable, so I know I'm gonna be wearing these the heck out. On the inside of the shoe, there's just black leather. It says Fenty Puma, but I know you guys cannot see in there. And it says that the upper is leather. The lining, it just says other materials, and the sole is rubber. And this is how the sole looks. Lots of traction, very comfortable, good for running. But the way that these are styled, like who's running in these? Like these are going to be collector's items. I already know it. That drop sold out so fast. I was so sad that I missed the shoe, and I'll show you guys the right one. I'll show you, and here is the Fenty on the inside of this. So you've got options. They're letting you know, okay? Fenty. They're letting you know who it's by. So first I'm going to give you guys a close. I'm going to show you guys how they look on my feet. So here they are close up. Not a single stitch out of place. Absolutely perfect. You can see the gum soles. I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on these brand new. They're so pretty. The leather on the inside and the leather on the bottom, and then you can see Fenty, and it still has the stuffing in them because I haven't tried them on yet. But look at how reflective it is. I still have on my Renaissance case, so you can see my case matches my sneakers. Here they are with the black laces. I love the black laces. I don't think another color laces would have worked with this. White, definitely not. Ooh, I think like one of the satin laces would probably also be like a fun option to play them up like that. I know that the other Fenty Pumas do have some satin laces option. Here's the back of the sneakers. Ooh, I didn't even notice this before. So the left one has an F for Fenty in the circle, and this one has the Puma logo in the circle. So that's like such a good detail, because you would never see this unless you're looking like up close and personal. But I love that, and I love how hard she reps her family name. Like, one thing about Bajans, like, we're so proud of our names, like, no matter what. So I love that. And here is the sole. Lots of traction. I'm sure these are going to be super duper comfortable, but I will say that the shoe is super stiff. I'm very like interested in how they actually end up fitting. So I'm not even gonna lie, because of the material, my feet, like, I didn't want to untie them, but I had to shove my feet in here. They're like really stiff because of the material, but my toe is right here. My big toe is right here. So I have lots of room. So this is the perfect size, but I'm sure the more that I wear them, they will stretch. Well, not even the perfect size. Like, I have so much room that I probably could have sized down to a 7, but that would have just been ridiculous because yeah, these shoes are stiff and tight. So I guess these are a shoe that I would have had to break in. So if I would have gotten an 8, my foot would have slipped in. But once they broke in, they probably would have been too big. And then if I got a 7, my initial thought would have probably been, they're far too small. So yeah, so just when you're trying them on or when you're thinking about sizing, like, keep that in mind. And then I decided to try them on with these ruffle socks from Anthropologie, which I will link because this is probably how I would wear them anyway. I absolutely adore ruffle socks. And I think that ruffle socks like really do dress up any kind of sneaker, especially if you want to wear sneakers with ankle pants or sneakers like with a dress. Definitely dress them up. So this is one of the ways that I would style them, or with slouch socks. But I really like how they look. I like how they feel. I know I need to break them in some more, but you can see my toe move. But these are gorgeous sneakers. Like, these are gorgeous. I'm so excited to wear these. I have been recently getting a lot of sparkly metallic things. I don't know if it's the alien superstar in me. I know that, like, that's also something about Rihanna. She's really trendy always. She sets her own trends, and she like styles things together that wouldn't really be styled together. I feel like this is something that Rihanna would wear with her Puma. Yeah, this is the look, up close and personal, comfy fit, super snug. And I'm excited to wear these, like, really excited to wear these. I think they're beautiful. And I'm so happy I was able to get them. Like, look at these. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's like so funny that I can actually see myself recording in this. Like, it's funny. But this part of the shoe is like a little bit less reflective. It's more light reflective. And then some places like mirror. So that's cool to me. So that's all for today's video. Let me know down below what you guys think of this Fenty Puma collab. The Avanti sneakers are beautiful. I will try to link a few options if they're still available. I know resellers are probably going mad trying to get their hands on these and sell these. And I hope she does a relaunch soon, or at least adds a few more colors. But I would say I'm satisfied with this silver metallic. I'm gonna just try to make sure that I can link where they are available still. If you want to get your hands on these, and make sure you stay tuned for how I style them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram and LTK for all of those things. All of my other social media platforms will be linked down below. But I love these shoes, love Rihanna, love everything Fenty. I'm here for it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.